first time watching this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and help Caitlin's channel grow. First stop, feeding the rabbits. Let's go! Feed the rabbits! It's our turn next. Let's feed the rabbits! There's a rabbit there. Oh, this rabbit Second stop, the parrots. Let's go and feed the parrots. So guys, we went to the parrots, and the parrots are my favorite thing to do at the farm. Eating the seeds. Guys, look, I'm holding the bird. Oh, hello. 5 kilograms. That's a lot. But if it's in my shoulders, it was like only, like not really a thing. Ostriches, but my mother warned me that the zebra runs or kicks you if you go too close or you run, so I better not run.
Is it heavy?
Did you like it? Like the zebra's really hungry. It's heavy. The red barn, but there's a ostrich that can never go out. It will peck you so hard. The beak is really big. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Also went to a hydroponics farm. Went to a museum inside the farm. What? How can a farm can fit a museum? A museum's so big because it has lots of precious things. The museum has a very, very large Buddha. And it's like this big. Wow, that's a big Buddha. Let's read the quote. Buddha! The biggest Buddha I ever seen. Dun, dun, dun. But there's also my there. Really nice Buddha. And next time, oh guys, we're just reading a book with this book. I'm just kidding, it's a fake boy, but he has a book and there's a story. Let's see. And then the The last stop is the giant turtles. Let's feed the turtles, guys. Let's get some leaves. The turtles are in the leaves. And the boss said that one of the turtles is 30 years old. It's eating and you cannot pet its head or tap it because it might bite you. Look, that's the turtle's home. Those turtles are crowded because the mama's the biggest one. And then that turtle over there you see is almost hitting the wall. Let's get out now. It's so secret now. Let's get out. Now it's so secret now. Once we get now, out now.
Okay, the one turtle at your back, oh. Oh, this this one is longer pa. Oh. Ano ba ba pala? Iba yun ang dinosaur? Tortoise pala.
Guys, did you know that humans can only live to 100 years? And turtles, they can live to 200 years. Oh no! And when we overgot my play area! It's late and I don't wanna go home.
Ito dahil sa swimming pool?
Thank you guys for watching the story video today. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, your notification bell, and really give a big thumbs up. Bye-bye! I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell if you want to see more videos. Bye-bye! Kids, visit Yoki's farm and then you can explore all of the wonderful creatures, but don't be late, okay? And explore the whole world and enjoy all of the fun things in Yoki's farm. I love you, Yoki's farm!